Hey guys, this is Amma from Referrals Favor, video for and of course your preference. So guys, today I'm going to unbox an adapter which should be with every MacBook Air persons basically. It's like a must-have accessory for MacBook Airs. That is nothing but an adapter which connects your MacBook Air to desktop, either with the use of VGA or with the help of HDMI. So this is a package which I ordered from Amazon around 799 rupees. So yeah, so this is the packaging looks like. So without any delay, let's get started. So yeah, so I'm just opening this one. Invoice, so I purchased it for 799 rupees, so that's it. So let me keep it aside, and you can check clearly the packaging looks good. And thank you for shopping with e.t.c. So this is the brand is e.t.c. So this is how it is. So guys, this is how the adapter it is, and so let me open this also. Yeah, so this is the adapter, and here you have HDMI and VGA and DVI cable. On this side we don't have anything, and this is how the adapter looks like. And so this is how, and so just let me connect towards my Mac. Yeah, here you can see this thing. So let me just, so yeah, this is how it is connected. So let's switch to monitor. So guys, finally I have tested this, so it's working proper. I just connected here, and if you see I have kept my another monitor here. So this is how I use a dual display thing. Here you have my mouse pointer. Now let me go here, and here you have mouse pointer mine. And so if I want to have a dual display, then I just have to type displays. So yeah, here you can see it's like arrangement. So here I have to enable mirror displays. So what happens is the same thing here it is represented, and the same thing here it is represented. So this is how we can mirror, or you can use dual display with this. So it is working properly fine. Guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.